that I'm putting right now is our DisplayPort equalizer. The part number is R06-EQL-FF. The reason for equalizer is for when you need like a long DisplayPort cable, and we recommend that anything over like 25 feet you use a equalizer, because the longer you go, the more quality the degradation. So in this case, our maximum length for our product is 100 feet. So I'll be using a 100-foot DisplayPort cable, and that goes from the source to this unit, and from the unit we go to the TV. I'll be using a 6-foot. Now, notice ours has LED lights, meaning the green one means power, the orange means signal, and the side with the LED lights is the side you connect from the source to the source. The side without the LED lights you connect to the TV or the monitor. So first thing you do I already have the DisplayPort cable connected to a PC. So and then that's connected to here, to the unit. And once you connect the unit, then connect the power. And right now, like earlier I said, when you plug it on, everything on, green lights up because of the power. Orange lights up because there's a signal coming from the PC. And from here to connect it to the DisplayPort that goes to the monitor. And I wait, and you'll see come up. Now, ours for 100 feet, we could actually go up to 1920 by 1080, which is here right now. And let me bring up like a test screen to show you. Now, actually, it will be 1920 by 1080 at 32 bits, 60 hertz. But let me bring out a pattern just to show you perfectly. As you can see here on the pattern, every color lights up perfectly. There's no any ghosting, any skew. Everything is pretty crisp. And again, the resolution we're running at is right here. It's 1920 by 1080, 32 bits, 60 hertz. This is over 100 feet of DisplayPort cable.